In 2025, Microsoft Power BI ranked highest in Gartner's Analytics and BI Magic Quadrant, leading in both execution and vision. For teams using Tableau today, that shift is hard to ignore. Tableau delivers solid analytics, but as BI needs scale, cost, and complexity rise fast. Power BI gives you the same depth of analysis at a fraction of the cost, and that difference adds up quickly across departments. The bigger advantage? Integration. If your organization runs on Microsoft 365 or Azure, Power BI integrates with Excel, Teams, SharePoint, and Fabric. Data moves cleaner, workflows stay connected, and reporting becomes easier to govern. Kanerika's Flip Migration Accelerator handles the technical lift. It converts your Tableau dashboards, business logic, and data flows into Power BI automatically, saving you costs, time, and resources. Request a demo and see how our accelerator speeds up your Tableau to Power BI migration.